Welcome back to Wicked F-150. We're actually getting a winter storm here in Oklahoma City, believe it or not. So I figured I'd take the opportunity to test out the DISCOVER STT PRO in snow and ice. So we have a little bit of ice, then about 4 to 5 inches of snow at the moment, and I'm pulled out of the driveway. I've gone roughly 2.5 miles, stop, turn around, all in 2-wheel drive, and it's fine. Now there's a little bit of a spin. So it is, I mean, the tires aren't horrible, but I am still spinning, definitely, in 2-wheel drive. With the ice and the snow, it is definitely pushing me a little bit. And that's not flooring it. Just setting off easy, and it's still spinning a little bit. Here, we'll get a red light. See how it does. Alright. So you can see it spinning. Right off the gate, we're spinning. I was waiting for this little traction control thing to come on. I do have traction control on. If I turn it off, which I did try, it doesn't really change anything. I'm still, I mean, right now with the snow and everything, traction control really isn't doing much at all with these tires on there. Now, like I said, I'm not flooring it or anything like that. It's just an easy takeoff. So, I mean, in 4-wheel, I don't think I'd have a problem at all. But that way, I mean, you have an idea of how it's doing in 4 to 5 inches with a little bit of icy slush underneath. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thanks.